you man got found out, and the Partey is going to be a big miss. Zubimendi, I just don't think he's going to bring the same je ne sais quoi. You got me? You got me speaking French as what Partey brought into that midfield. Gyokeres is unknown. You know, people shaking their bum for Gyokeres, but how are we so sure he's going to score more goals than Kai Havertz? I'm just keeping it 100. Martinelli's washed. Yeah, bro. I don't think your team is great, bro.
I hear it. Big up to Fuad, man. What are you saying, man? Quickly before we wrap up, what's your thoughts on Madueke? There's rumors that we may be focusing on. Huh?
Oh, bro, I get it. Bro. Do you know what, bro? I swear down. Like, you know, you don't. You know what, bro? This Arsenal now, it's beyond, bro. Honestly, bro. You know, the other day, like, I watched your streamer, like, with Brandon, and Brandon said something, and he's right, bro. Why are you wasting your time on a team you don't care? Seriously, bro. Like, come on, like, you know, the younger generation, are they that stupid? Don't they? Like, are they that really stupid? Like, like, if say you were 10, and like you supported Arsenal when you were 10, and this man now has been in the club for 6 years, and that's all they've had is watch Chelsea rejects. What's going to be different? And I understand what Deji's saying. Big up, Deji. Do you get me? Come on, bro. We ain't doing nothing different, bro. Like, every year we're buying a Chelsea player. What's there to be excited about? Do you get me? What's the point of spawning? Bro, do you know what? On a real note, we might as well be called Arsenal Blue. I'll tell you, because I'll tell you what we're doing now. We have just funded them to go and buy Rodrigo. Watch you go and buy Rodrigo. Watch Chelsea FC buy Rodrigo now, because they need the left winger now. But you think they're gonna? You think Arsenal fans are gonna go there? Forget North London forever. Sing the song Northwest forever.
Yeah,
whatever the weather, the street is blue. Because, bro, as an Arsenal fan, this is absolutely piss-taking. And I don't care what any Arsenal fan says. I'm one of the most positive Arsenal fans out there. No Arsenal fan is happy with this. And you know because of who? Because you trust him, this, that. And Mikel Arteta, if he's part of it, bro, I know people, bro, who will proper Arteta in. And they said, if he don't buy Gyokeres and he buys his brother here, everyone wants him gone. But you know what's going to happen? I'll tell you what's going to happen. First game of the season, they're going to go to Old Trafford expecting to win. It's going to be an uppercut. That's what's going on. They're going to go play Leeds, low block. It's going to be a slap. Then we're going to go to Anfield. But bear in mind, we've never won there under Arteta. And they're going to play a Liverpool team that wasn't drunk. Was ready to fight for their title. And we should get spanked there. And in their first 3 games, they're going to panic, then maybe go and get Gyokeres. But then it's too late. Bro, they're killing even the players. You know, Deji, you're a youth worker, innit?
Yeah.
And like, you're involved in a lot of football because obviously with your family background and the pros and your thing. Do you know when you've got a young brother? And I want to ask the fans if the youngsters hear this. When you've got a young man in Nathan, Arsenal just signed Nathan Miles. All right?
Yeah.
Sign a new contract at your left back. Bro,
yeah.
He's following the saga of Gyokeres. Following. We've been linked with this Cisco guy for 1 year. Now, one Arsenal player have come out and commented. The moment we got linked, the bombshell, the thing with Fabio Camero, whatever his name is, come out and he said Gyokeres. The Arsenal players are following it. You got Saka following it. You got Narueri wearing a Sporting Lisbon top. You got them all following Declan Rice because they want this player to come to Arsenal. Do you know if this player don't come to Arsenal, Gyokeres? See this player who doesn't come? Watch the players deflate. No matter how much you love Arteta, the players will stop playing. Saka will be the first one. Because they're going to turn around and say, you've brought in Zubimendi, who's nowhere on Partey's level. You've brought in a donkey from Chelsea, who ain't going to improve us. Who's left to be my backup? So where's the excitement of going forward into the Premier League? Like, we linked with Eze. We were linked with Eze before we were linked to this guy. We were linked with Gyokeres, but this guy's sitting coming through the door. Come on, Arsenal fans, wake up, man. We're not Arsenal no more, bro. We're just Chelsea. We work for Chelsea. We're their bitches.
You know, like in Spain and Portugal, they got the B team in the league below.
Yeah.
Can't get relegated, can't go up. We're the B team.
Of course, bro. Because Arsenal fans, you don't know facts. This been going on for 20 years. Let me tell you what Chelsea have done. They've won 6 league titles, and we're still buying their rejects. They've won 2 Champions League, and we're still buying their rejects. They've won the Europa League, we're still buying it. They won the Conference League, we're still buying their rejects. And do you know what you guys do? You wanker will beat in Real Madrid. Excuse my French, people. You get overexcited. And this team who we're playing, they're saying, go on, have our leftovers. Since Mikel Arteta again, now let me tell you what we've won. We've won the Champions League on the PlayStation with Raheem Sterling. You do get me, bro. I can only say PlayStation because that's the reality of it. We've won with Jorginho. We've done a double in the league with Jorginho on the PlayStation. We won the best defender award went to what's his name? The best winger award went to William when we signed him under Arteta. We are the best keeper in Kappa, who's going to win the World Cup. We've got it's a continuation of a philosophy that's not working.
Well, I've never seen you so emotional, so on point with what you said about your team, bro. I tried asking North, bro. Like, what is going on, bro? Like, what is going on? What is it? Are they trying to run you, man, into the ground?
No. We're just, bro. I'll be honest. You Arsenal fans, start supporting Chelsea. They're going to start build stadium. Jeremy, when their players win all major honours, they just send them to us.
Yeah.
Jeremy, Havertz won the Champions League for them. What's he won for Arsenal?
Nothing.
What's Jorginho won for Arsenal? Do you know what's crazy is every player we give them have gone on to be successful. We give him Ashley Cole. What did he win with Chelsea? Come on, Arsenal fans. He won 2 league titles back to back, and the Champions League with him.
Yeah.
We remember we sold Cesc Fabregas.
Yeah.
Guess what? Guess what the first honours to buy him back first? Arsenal. They said Chelsea went in for him. Arsenal, no, go on, you can have him. Guess who won the title of Fabregas? The rest is history. I think, did he win the title with Chelsea? Yes, he did. I think he did, didn't he? Yeah. Like, I think their best players they ever give us was 2. William Gallas, he played well for Arsenal, and Peter Cech.
Yeah.
The rest are fucking shit, bro. Raheem Sterling, we lucky we never paid him. How do you know this guy now? We're going to pay 60 million for him. Arsenal fans, ask yourself this question. How do you know he's going to get on the pitch? You know, you're paying 60 million. It is going to be 60 million. Regardless what Arsenal, I don't know what it is, bro. It just pisses you off, bro. They just love Chelsea, man. Bro, I might as well wear the Chelsea top and put Arsenal on the back of it.
It's true, bro. I don't know what hold Chelsea have over Arsenal.
We've bought 11 players off them. We've bought a team off them.
Yeah, 11 players from them.
William Gallagher. Okay, look at the players we named. Look at the players I named now for you, all right? We bought of Chelsea. Gallas. We started with Gallas. Okay. Diarra. Benayoun.
Yeah.
Benayoun. David Luiz. Raheem Sterling. Peter Cech. Jorginho. Willian. Kepa. And now we're buying this kid. That's 10 players. Did I miss anyone out on the offside? Have I missed anyone out?
No. You said Gallas, innit?
Did you say David Luiz?
Yeah,
he did.
10 players.
That's too much, man.
That's 10 players.
Make it 11, man. You know, 11 would be nice.
Yeah.
You man might as well. You man might as well move to Fulham Broadway. Do you know what I mean? And walk to your stadium. Get me Stamford Bridge.
Sponsored by a Chelsea shirt, put Arsenal on the back.
I might as well support PPR or something. You know what I'm saying? Wollstone Raiders or
So what's
something.
the difference? Well, you know what? Yes, yeah. I'll put Arsenal on the back and every player. And I forgot. Havertz is 11th player.
Oh, Harris, yeah.
Yeah.
11 players, bro. Havertz is 11th player. I forgot. So I'll buy Arsenal on the back. I'll buy a Chelsea top. Put Arsenal on 11 players, and I'll go to the Emirates with it. No one can tell me nothing. It's a fact.
And you're buying them when they're not even that good. It's not like they were Chelsea's best player and you were getting Chelsea's best player. Chelsea were happy to see these players out the door. You know there was. It's even worse. Chelsea are happy to see these players out the door.
Yeah, but
Honestly,
you know what's different though? You know what's different? Is let's say when you got Havertz, we weren't thinking of getting a different player. Like, you know what I mean? It's a bit different. Like, you know what? You took one of our players, whatever. But now it's almost like you're helping us you're giving us the money to spend.
yeah.
Does that make sense? You're almost telling me, okay, cool, we're taking your winger. If Kudus was available, we would. This is why we didn't bid. We just said, let's wait until we get someone out of our club, and then we go and get another winger. Yeah, this is why you guys sped up your thing to make sure that you get Kudus just in case we end up bidding or whatever. Yeah, but it's like they almost with the Kepa one, they could have helped us buy Manyan if our club was serious at the time. It was like 4 million difference. If we got that money, we could spend it on a goalkeeper, and that would have been levels on the guy that we're letting go. Does that make sense? This is where even for us it don't make sense, but we like listen. I'm grateful, and you know there was. It's like someone's willing to come to you and buy it every time. You're not gonna say no.
Yeah, so who sport Chelsea is it?
Yeah, man. Look at the trophies behind me, bro. Who else would it be?
Yeah, I was gonna think that's not Arsenal trophies, bro.
Yeah, can't because that's not us.
Even look at that. Yasser is happy, bro. We're signing him.
It's madness, bro.
That's an insult.
Yeah, because I feel like we gave him 2 years. He didn't do the job. Like where we are now, we can't keep him there, especially with the amount of players that we have. We have Kenda coming next year. We already got the Estaval guy, and that position is going to be filled regardless. So if he doesn't want to stay, it's good to just sell him on early instead of keeping.
I hear that, man. I hear that. Deji's got to go. Big up Dej, man. Shout your channel before you go. The link is in the title. Make sure you're subscribing to everyone. Yeah. Let them know where they can find you, bro. What you got coming up next?
Please, people. Big up to everyone in the location and cheer up my bro, Northside and forward. Look, yeah, Deji Spurs Instagram, Deji Spurs YouTube. Hopefully, I'll be doing something tomorrow. I think me and Northside are on Jay's channel tomorrow evening, so we'll catch you there. And yeah, please be there. Sorry I can't stay the whole night. I've got an early start in the morning. You can probably see from my eyes, man, is famished. But yeah, love my brothers forward.
Yes,
big up, man.
Love and thank you for having me. Peace.
Big up, bro. Big up every single time, man. Big up. Make sure you're subscribing to Deji. The link is in the title. Big up to everyone that is locked in. And yeah, man, I need to get my clips because I've been doing the clips now. So I'm putting content out while I'm at work. Yasser, final words, bro.
Final words. Bro, we need to see what happens in the rest of the transfer window, innit? Because so far, it doesn't look the greatest for both of us. Yeah, we managed, like, obviously, it's weird saying it from my angle, considering I've already got a couple of players, but it's still, if we want to reach that level, compete with, like, the Liverpools and that, we still need to get some players, innit? I think the Petrovic guy's going on loan, and now we're selling him, and we tried to send that Penders and Jurgensen to Strasbourg, but one of them said no, so we're going to send Penders there, which indicates to me we have to get another goalkeeper. Do you know what I mean? So there's still more business to be done. So, like I said, we just need to wait and see, innit? We still have PSG on the weekend, like, you know what I mean? I have different worries, bro. PSG on the weekend, bro. Like, I just have to make sure that my team does the job, innit? So I can just pick up another trophy. And yo, listen, by the way, if I get that trophy, if we win this Club World Cup, every time I come on, Yasser, the world champion, you know them ones. I'm gonna get the shirt with the gold badge as well. It's gonna be different, bro. You know what I mean? 4 years, you're gonna call me world champion. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. You know, the problem is with Arsenal, I think you might just, I don't know, you might have a good deal with it. I don't know what it is with it, bro.
Nah, bro. It's just listen. If a nitty keeps coming back to you to get whatever you're selling, you're not gonna say no, don't come. You're gonna just sell, innit?
Yeah, yeah.
It is what it is. Like it's just one of them things where nah, I'm not selling you to you today. Nah, man. Like especially if you know that the player is not as good as these man think. The problem is that the way we sometimes view players, clubs don't view them the same way. So, like for example, a Sancho is looked at. You know, in Europe they look at him like he's a top baller, but we might look and some of us might say, nah, he ain't good enough. Do you get it? So they
Yeah.
might look at him and say he's 50 million, 60 million. Whereas we look at him and say, nah. Look at Anthony when he went on loan. They overseas sometimes they look at players different. So Havertz, we don't rate him well, but there might be a team in Europe that might rate him. This is how you get the sales done, innit? There's a difference when we done the good relations thing. When we started selling players in the beginning, we went and done good relations with Saudi. That's how we sold Koulibaly, Kante, and all. I think a couple of them went for free, but we just done the small deals here and there, and that's how we can always go to teams and sell the players, isn't it? The only person that got us by the balls a little bit, pause, yeah, is that Jorge Mendes, whatever his name is, that agent. You know, he's dangerous for that. He makes you take players you don't want. You know, I'll help you get this player, but you're gonna have to end up buying this player. But yeah, man, you just have to. You have to. This is how you do it, man. You just make sure you sell your players that you don't need at the right time. The problem with Arsenal is that you guys didn't take opportunities to win stuff when you had the opportunity with the squad you had. When you were 9 points ahead or whatever. Remember when you slipped the second season and all that? If you had win stuff, some of the players, you've got something out of them, innit? Even if you didn't get the money, you managed to get trophies and stuff out of them. So even if you get a player, I don't know, for like a Grealish, they spent 100 million out of for Grealish, yeah, but they got the treble. So whether it's 100 million wasted, they got a treble out of it.
But
You know what I mean?